Stop now, stop! Stop!
Sorry.
You're laughing now. Now your body is sweating.
Sorry. Okay, I will not do it again. I've thrown it in. I've thrown it away. I'm waiting.
Boy, come and see food. Boy, it's food.
Wait. Let's just first eat to go with. Wait! That's one person that will share this thing for us. Let's look around to see.
I want to see your best that will look and share this thing for us. Browsing. If you are looking for who to share this thing for us.
Wait, you mean you people have been picking food on the road?
You are the one that told us that we should be picking food.
You said that if we see food on the floor, we should eat because it's made for human being, not for animal or spirit.
Yeah, I said so, yes. But you people did not call me.
Sorry.
We are sorry.
As you should get that rubber. Bring it. You people are very wise.
Yes.
Very wise people. When next you pick, you call me.
Just listen.
Where are we going to see?
Brother, his one is bigger than my own.
You are too greedy.
That his own is not bigger than my own.
What is wrong with you?
He sees his own now. He sees his own. His own is bigger than my own.
What is wrong with you?
Oh, you have finished my own.
I will flog all of you. What is wrong with you?
I have finished my own.
Come.